So it's been 3 days since we started this thing up. We pulled it back 4 days. Well, let's start it up then. Let's see if it'll start up now. Let's dive into this interior and see what we got. You already see there's change on the dash. Piece of board on the side. Old pen that is disintegrating. Dash has a few cracks. Air gauge. I don't think these people were smokers. There's just a bunch of wrappers. Screw. Well, that's a good thing. At least nobody smoked in it. So, just dirty. Got a side mirror. That is probably one on the visor. Like a GM. It's a factory one. Or aftermarket. Dealer. Steve, Canada. Somebody named Steve. That's up to Canada. Yeah, that's the last seat. Got a little hammock here. Roll of paper towels. Tire jar or tire iron. That's an electronic something or other. Warren Electric. What's that? It was like a brake controller. Hey, new windshield wipers. And get your Scooby-Doo. Snoopy. Here's the radio. Got a bag way down here. Butterfield lumber. Haven't seen that in a long time. Alright. Now, this thing. Flat blade screwdriver. Kind of big though. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a little bent. I don't know how good it's gonna be. Yeah. take this out in one big unit. Hygienic hook. Guaranteed to hold nothing. I can see the seat. Look at that.
Yeah, it's really
Nice
pretty.
blue seat. I got some bullet. Oh, I got a bullet. Where were the other bullets? I think they were in the glove box. I did notice that. Second. We have a broken window at one point. Got a tissue dispenser. That's gonna be. Let's see. I've got one more screw. This screwdriver is really good. There we go. Okay. Okay. See a little bit of that. Chevrolet. H&S. Godwin and Schultz. Sales Incorporated. There we go. We got 5W30. That's probably not good for this truck. And 10W30. Hey, another gas can. Yeah, that's the other factory one.
It's like
this tide's been kind of poking it down here and here, but wow, look at that. Well, as far as we got today, got it all linseed oil, all slicked up. I know it only lasts a couple weeks, but it makes me happy to see the color. The Hawaiian blue from GMC. And the seat, this seat amazes me, that 2 seat covers on it. That was awesome. This seat, it has one tear right in the middle. Other than that, it's just pretty amazing. Took the shell off to clean inside the bed. It's actually pretty straight. There's a couple rough spots, but we can deal with that. Yep, there it is. This is what happens when you shine a farm truck. Original mat, floor mat. It's actually really good. Kind of surprised. Well, there'll be a point where we'll pull that seat out and get underneath that, clean it out. The interior still needs a ton of work. We'll check out the brakes and then maybe look at that starter, why it's not starting. This is what I call a level 1 tidy, where it's just gives you enough motivation to start working on it again. You know, come back next week. So we'll be back next time to hopefully get it back on the road. Start thinking about getting the title in our name and getting it registered. So, until then.